In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Facebook lead ad with Zapier 2026, 5 minutes. First, head to Zapier and log in. If you're new to the platform, the free plan is perfect for testing. Once you're in, click Create and choose Zap. A zap is simply an automated workflow made of a trigger and an action. For the trigger, search for Facebook lead ads and select it. When Zapier asks for the event, choose New Lead. That tells Zapier to run every time someone submits your Facebook form. Next, connect Facebook. Click Add Connection, sign into your Facebook account, and approve the permissions so Zapier can read your leads. Make sure you have the right page access in Facebook business settings. You need permission to manage leads. In the setup screen, pick the exact Facebook page and the specific lead form you want to monitor. Selecting the right form matters if you run multiple campaigns. Now test the trigger. Click Test Trigger to pull in a sample submission. If no data appears, create a test lead in Facebook's lead ads testing tool or submit your live form once. Seeing real fields here, like name, email, and phone, confirms the connection is good. With the trigger verified, choose where you want those leads to go. Search for your destination app, such as a CRM, a spreadsheet, a help desk, or an email platform, and select it. Pick the action event that matches what you want to happen, like creating a contact or adding a row. Connect the destination account when prompted. Then map your fields carefully. Match Facebook's form fields to the fields in your chosen app. For example, map full name to name, email to email, and phone to phone. If your app has required fields, make sure they're filled, and consider using default values where helpful. Run a test for the action step. Zapier will send sample data through so you can confirm that a new record appears exactly where you expect. Check spelling, field formats, and any custom properties. When everything looks right, click Publish or Turn On to activate your Zap. Give it a clear name so teammates recognize it later. From this point on, every new Facebook lead will flow automatically to your selected app. That's it. You've connected Facebook lead ads to Zapier, tested both sides, and turned it on. If you need to adjust mapping or switch forms, you can edit the Zap anytime without rebuilding it. Now go collect those leads with confidence.